Welcome to our options trading tutorial. This tutorial is for traders that are interested in options trading, and especially for those who are interested in option trading in China market. So let's get started. Before we introduce the options trading techniques and the strategies, we can look back at China's history to build its capital market. Back in year 1978, China started its economic reform, and in year 1980, China built its first special economic zone, which is Shenzhen city, and started to liberate its economy. And in year 1990, China opened its first stock exchange, which is the Shanghai Stock Exchange. And another milestone was in year 2001, which was China entered the World Trade Organization. The event opened China furthermore and boosted its demand for almost all commodities. For China is such a huge, heavy player in global commodity market. The nation is a major producer, consumer, exporter, and importer for so many commodities. So the macroeconomic condition and the regulations in the country can affect the global commodity market significantly. If we are looking for the place to trade commodities in China, we can look at those exchange companies which are regulated by China Security Regulation Committee, or CSRC. So if we only interested in the listed option, we can look at the major three commodity exchanges. The first is Zhengzhou Commodity Exchange, and the listed options are white sugar and the number one cotton. The second is Darling Commodity Exchange. The listed options are corn and soybean meal. The third is Shanghai Futures Exchange. The listed options are copper and natural rubber. For people who want to trade stock index options, they can also look at Shanghai Stock Exchange, which listed the only stock-related options in China, the 50 ETF stock index option. And so let's look at the consumption of this listed commodity in China. For corn consumption, China ranked number 2 in the world, just the second to United States. For soybean meal, China is by far the top consumer, following by European Union and the United States, as China is a nation that keep the largest population of the cattle and the other livestock, which can consume a huge amount of soybean meal as the protein feed. For copper, China consumes half of the copper consumed in the world for its strong industrial sector. And for natural rubber, which is mainly consumed by the automobile industry to produce tires, China is also the top consumer, following by European Union and India, as China is the number one producer of the automobile in the world. And for sugar, China is the third largest consumer. The largest consumer is India, and the second one is the European Union. And for cotton, again, China is the largest consumer. It can consume about 1/3 of the cotton consumed in the world. So if you want to find more information about options trading and the derivative market in China, you can visit our website quant.pombo.net.cn. Thanks for watching.